yesterday it was not attaching on classroom.
Yeah,
Today
good
I have
morning.
attached
Just a
on.
minute, Swara. Just a
Yes,
minute.
ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Okay, a very good morning to all of you. Yes, Swara, now you tell me what you were saying.
Yes, ma'am. Did you get my worksheet 9?
Yesterday's worksheet,
Yes, ma'am.
I will
I
check
have
and I will
sent
send
it
you,
today.
return you back. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Because yesterday it was not attaching, so I have
Mhm.
attached today.
Okay, no worries. I will see to it and I will check and send you back. Okay? Yes, Preet. Preet, you want to say
Ma'am,
something?
Jane, ma'am, I have network issues. So can you tell before
Preet,
saying
I cannot
what
hear
you
you
did?
clearly. It is, yes, you are facing the network issue. If you want to write something, please write in the chat box. Okay, good morning to all of you. Now, you all know that we are doing chapter number 11, sorry, chapter number 10, tens and hundreds. It's related to the decimals. So, who will tell me which all the topics we have covered till now in decimal chapter? Which all the topics we have covered till now? Please raise your hand and I will tell any child to speak on it.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Aurav. Aurav, can you please tell me which all the topics you have covered till now?
Ma'am, first we have done reading and writing decimals, and then we we have done that comparing decimals, ascending and descending of decimals,
Yes, yes.
and we have done like and unlike decimals, converting unlike decimals to like decimals.
Yes. So, yes, Dhruvi, can you please tell us which all the topics we have covered till now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, reading and writing decimals.
Hmm.
How to convert unlike decimals into like decimals.
First, we have learned about the introduction of the decimals. What are decimals?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then we
Then
have
we
convert.
reading and writing decimals.
Yes. Then, Arup, mute
Then,
your mic.
ma'am, then we did um how to convert fractions into decimals and how to convert decimals into fractions.
Yes.
Then we did,
Switch on your camera, Dhruvi.
yeah, ma'am. Wait, ma'am, can you see me?
Yeah.
Then we did
Again.
like and unlike decimals
Yes.
and how to convert unlike decimals into like decimals. And
Hmm.
we did how to arrange decimals in descending and ascending order.
Yes. So now once again I will repeat what. Yes,
Then we
Aryan.
also did then we also did that expanded form of the decimals.
Yes, I
Yeah,
will
ma'am.
repeat all the topics which we have covered till now. We have done the introduction of the decimals. We have learned how to read and write the decimals. We have learned how to convert the fraction to the decimals and decimals to the fraction. We have learned about the place value chart, then expanded form of decimal and the short form and the standard form of decimals.
Ma'am,
Then
and
like
comparison of decimals.
yeah, like and unlike decimals, convert unlike decimals to like decimals, comparing decimals, ascending and descending decimals. And then now next step should be we are going to do today addition and subtraction of decimals. So if you know about the decimal numbers, you will easily able to add them and subtract them, right? So when you know how to add and subtract, the whole numbers, the simple numbers, you can easily add and subtract the decimal numbers also. First of all, I'll write in the chat box. Please see to it. If I take two numbers, 54.6, first we do addition, then we do subtraction. 54.6 plus 34.8. Please check, they are like decimals or the unlike decimals?
Like decimal.
Like decimal.
They are like
decimals.
Okay, stop messaging now. Stop, please.
Like.
Yeah, they are like decimals because after the decimal, they have only one place value for the decimals. Now, it is easy to add the like decimals. For example, it is given 50. Can you please start doing solving in your notebooks? 54, my sum was 54 point. Please don't message anyone. No one will message now. 54.6 plus 34.8.
Ma'am, can I write in the chat box answer?
Yeah, after getting the answer, please write the answer in the chat box.
We have to solve this in the
4.6 plus 34.
Ma'am, your example is 54.6 plus
Ma'am, we have to solve this in notebook.
Ma'am, 89. Ma'am,
Ma'am, we have to solve this in
89.4.
notebook.
Yes,
Ma'am,
then you have
89.4.
to solve this in the notebook.
Ma'am, 89.4.
Aryan, wait.
Ma'am, 89.4.
Hey, Aryan, wait. Rishank is asking something. Yes, Rishank.
Ma'am, because of my network issue, I left the meeting. What should I do?
See, my dear children, we are starting. We have all just now started how to add and subtract the decimal numbers. So I have given one question in the chat box. When you see your chat box and scroll it, and you can see one problem sum. One sum is there: 54.6 plus 34.8. This decimal number is a like decimal number because after the decimal only one digit is there. So when there are like decimal, it is easy to add them, right? It is easy to add them. Please add them and write the answer in the chat box. Please, I am waiting for the answers. Please write
Ma'am,
the
I have
answer.
wrote in the chat box.
Yes, Dhruvi?
Ma'am, I have wrote in the chat box.
Yeah, I can see Arna, Jaipal, Arush, Yash Bhalotra, Dhruvi, Nishika. Anubhavi, your answer is wrong.
Yes, ma'am. By mistake, yeah.
Yeah.
Type 8.
Yes, Riva is right. Dheer is right.
Ma'am,
Vishant
Aryan?
is right. Aryan, I call the name.
Ma'am, Aryan?
Arav Palaskar, Vedansh. Yes, the answer is 89.4. The answer, please mute your mic.
Ma'am, so this example we have to write in our notebook.
Yes. Yashvi, you please pay attention now. I will show you the video again so you will understand it better way. So now when the numbers are not like decimal numbers, for example, 56, sorry, I take some other number, 73.8 plus 67.34. So when the numbers are not the like decimal numbers, first you have to convert them into the like. Now do not message anything. Please check my sum. It is there in the chat box.
Ma'am, so we have to write this also.
Yes, you have to write this also. 73.8 plus 67.34. First, you have to make them like. Now, Devanshi will tell me. Devanshi, When we have to convert these decimal numbers into the like, what will be added?
Ma'am, 0 will be added to do the like fraction.
In which number it is required to add?
Ma'am, 73.8.
So what, after adding the 0, this number will become what?
73.80 plus 67.30.
73.80. Not 80. After the decimal, we read the number single. 73.80 plus 67.34. Find the answer and write the answer in the chat box. 73.80 plus.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I didn't understand how to add.
Virishang, when I was teaching the how to make the unlike decimal to the like decimal, have you attended that class?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have attended, you will able to do it.
And how to, ma'am, add it like 73.80 plus 67.34.
Yeah, 73.80 plus 67.34. Because 67 is having 2 decimal places and 73 is having only 1 decimal place. So to make them like decimal, we have to add 0 at the 100 place. Understood, Vrishang, now?
Yes, ma'am.
Kathan, your answer is wrong. Please check your answer. Okay. Now I'm going to show you the video. And same way we have to do the subtraction also. Meantime, when I show you the video, I will explain you also along with that.
Ma'am, I do not.
In 73.80, how can we plus it with 67?
Ahmad, you watch the video first and then we discuss it. Mute your mics, everyone. My screen is visible.
Yes,
My
ma'am.
screen is visible. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
everyone
Visible.
mute yourself.
Pranshu Moradia, switch off your mic. Pranshu Moradia. Hi all, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll have a look on how to add and subtract decimals. So let's get started. To add or subtract decimals, first what we have to do is we have to check whether the given decimals are like decimals or unlike decimals. If given
Children, when we were comparing the decimal numbers, then also we were checking whether they are like or unlike, right? When we were putting into the ascending and descending order, then also we were checking whether they are like or unlike. Now, same again, when we are adding and subtracting also, we have to check. Because when all the decimal numbers are like, then only all the operations are possible to do it.
decimals are like decimals, then we have to arrange the given decimals one below another and we have to do addition or subtraction. Or else, if given decimals are unlike decimals, then we have to convert the unlike decimals into like decimals and we have to arrange one below another and we have to add or subtract.
If you want to watch how to convert unlike decimals to like decimals video, please click the link given in the description box.
First we go with addition. Here we have 3.44 plus 1.58. First we have to check whether these decimals are like decimals or unlike decimals. Observe the decimal places. For this decimal, 2 decimal places are there. For
Start
this decimal
writing also in your notebook
there
along
are
with this, children.
2 decimal places.
Write all these examples which I am covering here. Write it in the notebook also.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So these two are like decimals. Now arrange them. 3.44. Okay. 1.
When you arrange that point के नीचे point
0.58.
आएगा, you have to pay
Okay.
attention here.
Now add. 4 plus 8 is 12. 4 plus 5 is 9 plus 1, 10. Okay, decimal under decimal. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So the answer is 5.02. Okay. Now let us go to second example. Here we have 341.08 plus 71.123 plus 5.9. By observing
Children, when you observe these decimal numbers, what have you observed? Are they like decimals or the unlike decimal numbers?
Ma'am, unlike
Ma'am, will you send this video in the classroom?
I will send, but you have to do it along with the
observing
class
these
also.
decimals, we can easily say that these are unlike decimals. First, we have to convert them into like decimals. First, check which decimal number has highest number of decimal places. See here, 71.123 has highest number of decimal places. It has 3 decimal places. Okay. Now take this decimal 341.080. Okay. Plus 71.123. Just you copy down this decimal plus 5.900. Okay. Now these 3 decimals are like decimals. Now arrange them. 341.080. 71.123. See, 71.123. Okay, 5.900. See here, 5.900.
See children, please observe this like decimal. आपको decimal के बाद के numbers को ही बनाना है, not the whole numbers को कुछ नहीं touch करना है.
Now add. So 3. 8 plus 2 is 10. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 9 is 11. 1 is here, carry over is here. Okay, decimal under decimal. Okay, now 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay, 4 plus 7 is 11. Okay, 1 plus 3 is how much? 4. So the answer is 418.103.
Are you all clear till now?
Yes, ma'am.
Ahmad, you are clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm asking with Ahmad.
So, ma'am, we have to not add zeros to the whole number.
No, you don't have to write anything in the whole numbers, otherwise you get confused. Just leave the place values which are empty and leave them and add the place value which are given.
Now let us move to third example. Here we have 12 plus 0.8 plus 1.45 plus 0.07. These decimals are unlike decimals. First we have to convert them into like decimals. First we have to check which decimal number has highest number of decimal places. See here 1.45 has 2 decimal places, as well as 0.07 has 2 decimal places. Okay. Now take the number 12.
See, observe 12 is not having any decimal places. How we have to add the zeros, just please observe it.
And write as 12.00. Okay. Plus now 0.80 plus 1.45. Just you take down this decimal plus 0.07. Okay, now these decimals are like decimals. Now arrange them. 12.00, 0.80, okay, 1.45, okay, 0.07. Okay, now add. 5 plus 7 is 12. Okay, 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 3 is here, 1 is here. Decimal under decimal. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, down the 1. So the answer is 14.32. Okay. Now let us move to subtraction. Here we have the first example is 42.
Same rule with the subtraction also. Just in case of plus, you have to do the subtraction now.
0.12 minus 38.21. Okay, these two decimals are like decimals. Okay, now arrange them. 42.12. Okay, 38.21. Now subtract. 2 minus 1 is 1. See, we cannot subtract 2 from 1, right? So we need to take borrow. Take borrow from here. Then this becomes 1 and this becomes 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. Okay. Again, we can't subtract 8 from 1, right? Now we have to take borrow. Borrow from here. Then this becomes 3 and this becomes 11. Okay. 11 minus 8 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. So the answer is 3.91. Okay. Now
Yes, Dhruvi.
let us go to
Ma'am, so ma'am, if it is decimal also, we have to take the bigger number first and then the smaller number.
Yes. When it is a subtraction, you have to take the bigger number first. Yes, next time.
Ma'am.
Yes, wait, Pranju, wait.
Ma'am, can you show this?
And ma'am, zero is there, so we don't have to write the zero before 3.
You can write also, you don't have to write because before 3, 0 has no value.
Okay. And ma'am, we have to take first the bigger number and then.
Yeah, when you are subtracting, you have to take the bigger number first. Yes, Pranju.
Ma'am, can you do the first one of subtraction? I have done the half answer. I want to do the full answer. So,
Pranju, I will send this video in the classroom also. If it is not complete, complete it after the class. First, you have to understand. Yes, Jaival.
ma'am, I have got the second answer also.
I
Second
also, ma'am.
another example. Here we have 4 minus 2.85. See, these are unlike decimals. First, we have to convert them into like decimals. So, take the number 4 and write as 4.00. Okay, minus 2.85. Now, these two decimals are like decimals. Now, arrange them. 4.00. 2.85. Now subtract. We can't subtract 5 from 0, right? So we need to take borrow. So we have to take from here, but this is also 0. So we have to take the borrow from here. So this becomes 3, this becomes 9 and this becomes 10. Okay, 10 minus 5 is?
You children know, when the 2 zeros come regular, how you have to borrow the numbers.
Yeah.
5. 9 minus 8 is 1. Decimal under decimal. 3 minus 2 is 1. So the answer is 1.15. Okay. Now let us go to last example. 350.7 minus 187.29. See, these two are unlike decimals. First, we have to convert them into like decimals. Okay. this decimal has highest number of decimal places. Those are 2. Now take 350.7 and write as 350.70 minus 187.29. Okay, now these two are like decimals. Now arrange them. 350.70, 187.29. Now subtract.
Devanshi,
We
listen.
can't subtract 9 from 0, right? So we need to
Devanshi,
take borrow. So
pay attention in the
we have
class.
to take borrow from here. This becomes 6 and this becomes 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 6 minus 2 is 4. Decimal under decimal. Again, we can't subtract 7 from 0, right? So we need to take borrow from here. This becomes 4. Again, this becomes 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. And we can't subtract 8 from 4. So again, we need to take borrow. So we have to take from here. And this becomes 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer is 163.41.
I hope you children are clear how to add and subtract the decimal numbers.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Take one example of unlike decimal, convert them into like, and do the subtraction fast. And write it in the chat box. Take one example of
Ma'am, you
your
have to do in notebook and write the answer in chat box.
Yeah, first do it in the
To subtract.
Children, listen the instruction first, and then if you are not clear, then you ask. Take one example of 2 digit or 2 group of numbers or the 3 group of numbers, right? With unlike decimals, convert them into the like and do the subtraction. Write the answer in the chat box. Any one example you have to do by your own. Daksh Patel, don't sit in the class. You have to solve. And please write the answer in the chat box. Children, I will consider these children only as present students, those who will stay till last. If you leave the class in between, you will not be marked as that you are attentive in the class. Okay, I'll read. Many of you are writing. Kathan has taken 312.7. It's like decimal. Kathan, your numbers are like decimal. Krishita, 78. Krishita, you are doing the addition sum. I said do the subtraction sum. Please do the subtraction sum. Yes, Yashvi, you have written only one digit. Have you solved that sum? Please write the number of digits which you have taken. I will not able to recognize that you are giving the final answer. I need the digits which you have taken. I need the group of numbers which you have taken, and then write the answer.
Ma'am, minus correct or incorrect?
You have taken plus, you have put plus sign. So you just check you have done subtraction or addition.
Have you checked mine?
Which child? Trisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, let everyone complete, and last 2 minutes we discuss the answer. Yes, Trisha, you have to write the questions which are in the video. I'll send the video in the classroom. This will be your classwork, and then I'll
Ma'am, I
send
have
a
written all the questions in my notebook which were in the video and I have solved it also.
good. But you were asking, that's why I'm giving the answer.
No, ma'am, I was asking first, then I no, not. Then you said yes, so I solved all
Okay.
questions.
Children, everyone has to complete their classwork and worksheet based on the same topic I will send today, and please complete it and send me today. Don't wait for Saturday, Sunday. I need it today only. Aryan has written 163.784 minus 23.400. Okay. So 163.784 minus 23.400. So your answer is 140.384. Yes, Aryan, your answer is right. Nishika has written, I will read, my dear. Yes, Malhotra, you're not writing anything.
Ma'am.
Yes, Anna, tell me.
Ma'am, I wrote.
Yes, I will check.
Okay.
Nishika has written 4.10. Children, if you have written in the chat box, I will get everyone's. And I will read it. 4.10 minus 3.8. 0.3. Nishika, have you subtracted or added? It's 3.8. Just
Ma'am, I
check,
have also wrote.
Nishika, just check your sum, what you have done. You have added or subtracted?
Ma'am, I have also wrote.
Okay, Yash Malhotra has written 22.10 minus 21.1. It's 1 point. Okay, good. Next is Rishank has written 54.89. 54.89 sorry, then 98.12 will be first number. 98.12 because that is bigger, minus 54.89. Your answer is 40. Prishank, you just check, you have done wrong. Prishank, your answer is wrong. When we are doing subtraction, we have to write the bigger number first. Maisha 134.1342.4 minus 124.34. Okay. 1342.4 1342.4 minus 124.34 1218.06. Yes, Maisha, your answer is right. Aurav has written 456.76 and then he has converted with the zeros and then subtracted. Okay, 456.76 minus 230.00. Your answer is 226.76. Yes, right. Aurav is right. Yes, Yashvi. Yashvi has written 243. 57. 243.57 minus 243.57 minus 132.46. 11. Yes, Yashvi, your answer is right. Good, children. I will send you the worksheet based on today's topic. Complete it. Complete your classwork also. Thank you for today's class.
Ma'am, I have wrote. Ma'am,